Oh my god, you can definitely smell it. It's not the most pleasant of smells. This is so pretty. Wow. Oh my god. I'm running. I don't know where my family went. I was busy taking pictures. Pretty sure they left me. I see them. I did not get left behind in Yellowstone. It is so pretty over here. I am in love. Just such a nature hoe. It smells really bad though. Oh my god. Whoa.
Da. Ai și soarele, na? Nu te duci te rog că o să cazi în apă. Și îți termin telefonul iar.
It smells so bad. Oh. You can fart all you want here. No one's gonna notice.
Ce?
You can fart all you want here. It would be an upgrade. The sun finally came out. I think it's about 20 degrees warmer with the sun out. Let me not get hit by a car. That would be a good idea. There's a lot of water. It's so nice.
Hai mai mergem inițial încolo și la 4 ne întoarcem. Am ca, băi, taci gură, nu mai iese tare. Mai intimidat.
Oh my god. Yikes.
Oh my goodness. Shower,
We got so wet. I'm basically just soaking wet. My feet were drenched. I'm gonna end up putting bags on my feet. Worst comes to worst. It's been raining non-stop here for the past few days, and we're trying to just have a good view on it, just be positive. We're just gonna leave a day early and go elsewhere. It just started snowing, so that's a lot. It's summer. Also, we just packed like t-shirts and shorts. So nu era bine. Da, era.
Maybe let's get out of that little wall. E frumos aici.
Calca.
Buenos días, ahí, pues.